Good evening, sir. I am Anandan from Nungambakkam. I propose to start a garment business there by obtaining some loan from the bank. I like to get registered my company also. May I know what is the process for getting registration?
We will definitely help you in registration process. You are just starting a garment business, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it is coming under goods under
sir.
CGST Act.
Yes, sir.
I can explain the processes. Under GST, the registration process goes by the threshold limit of any unit. See, normally for any goods, the threshold limit is 40 lakhs. In case of services, threshold limit is 20 lakh. That means if your turnover of your firm that is GST goods is beyond 40 lakhs for the goods or 20 lakhs for the services, you are supposed to get it registered. Okay, in case of like northeastern states and these states, for example, Mizoram, Manipur, Tripura, those cases, the exemption limit is reduced. Okay, I think you are going to get it registered in Tamil Nadu and you are going to operate in Tamil Nadu. Are you going to supply any goods outside Tamil Nadu?
Yes, sir. Actually, my friends in Kerala, they have only suggested me to get a bank loan and start this business.
Oh, very good, very good. Very good. So you are going to do
yes,
the
sir, I am depending on them only.
also.
My friends in Kerala only, I am depending on them.
Fine,
I think I will get a beautiful orders for supply of uniform materials to my clients in Kerala, basically.
Okay. So you are going to supply to other states.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I was telling you that interstate supply, that is, you are supplying not only within Tamil Nadu, you are going to supply to other states. For example, in your case, you are telling you are going to supply your materials to Kerala. So
yes.
We call it as interstate.
Yes.
So in interstate cases, you are supposed to register mandatorily with the department. So you have to get registered with the GST department. So you cannot say your exemptions will not hold good.
I don't have that threshold limit.
That is the point. So in this case, you will not be eligible for composition scheme.
What is composition, sir?
Composition scheme is applicable to certain dealers. There may be manufacturers and traders. These people are eligible for availing the composition scheme. We call them as composition taxpayer category. Yes, see this. See, for small, medium manufacturers, traders who are supplier of goods and restaurant services, they are eligible for composition taxpayers category with the reduced rate of duty. For example, these goods it is 1% and restaurant services it is 5%. The traders whose turnover is below 1.5 crores and in respect of special category states, it is 75 lakhs. In case of services, the limit is 50 lakhs. They are eligible for composition scheme. There are certain categories of manufacturer, supplier are not eligible for the scheme. Once opted to avail the scheme and registered under the scheme, they are not eligible to avail the ITC and should not collect the tax from the customers. They should pay the tax in cash only. However, those who are not eligible to avail the scheme.
So I am not eligible for composition scheme.
Yes, exactly.
Then, however, I think I am eligible for availing ITC, sir.
Yes, if you are a normal taxpayer and you want to continue paying the normal rate, definitely you will be able to avail.
Okay, sir. Now, can you tell me the registration process, sir?
Yes. See, basically, in your case, since you are doing an interstate business, you have to register as a normal taxpayer. Okay. The registration needs to be done in the GST in portal. We call it GST in portal. It is www.gst.gov.in. This is the portal name. You have to enter into this portal and you have to get registered. There is part A and part B. You have to fill registration form, and it is basically a PAN based registration. So, entering the PAN number, you will be prompted part A and part B. You have to fill up the form. Then the PAN-based registration number, 15-digit registration number will be issued to you. For each state, you have to get it registered. For each state, you will have distinct PAN-based GST IN number, registration number will be issued to you. Before logging into portal, you should keep ready the scanned copies of PAN card of the firm or company, as the case may be, the lease deeds, EV bill, any supporting documents, bank account details. These details you should have the scanned copies. Apart from this, you should also have the mobile number. You have to enter the mobile number and the email ID in the portal. These are the basic requirements. Before entering into the portal, you should keep it ready. So you have to enter all these details. And I will show you how to get into the portal. Now, let us see. Once you enter the portal, you can navigate to services, then to registration, then to new registration. Once you fill up these details, you will get OTP in your mobile number and a different OTP in your email ID.
Sir, now I have received mobile OTP and email OTP.
Yes.
Where should I enter these OTPs, sir?
Yes, yes. You will get the OTP in the both in your email ID and the mobile. Okay. Now in the portal, you have to first press the icon, proceed icon. On clicking that, if you are having existing registration, those details will be displayed. Then again you have to press the proceed button. Then you will go to the next page. Next page, on entering the mobile numbers, OTP or email IDs, OTP, system will generate one temporary reference number. We call it TR. That number will also be generated and sent to your mobile as well as to your email ID. By this process, you will be completing the part A of the registration form.
Sir, should I fill up the part B immediately or can I take some time, sir?
Yes, of course, you can take your time, but advisable that you complete it in one go. Of course, you have 15 days time limit is there. By using your TRN, you have already received the TRN in your mobile and email ID. By entering this, by selecting the, you are going to enter into the portal. On entering into the portal, registration tab you have to enter. Then select the new registration tab. You will be prompted to select the TRN number, your TRN number. On selecting the TRN radio button, you will be prompted with a CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA will be displayed in your screen where you have to enter that CAPTCHA into your system. On entering the CAPTCHA, you will be getting one OTP in your email ID as well as the mobile number.
Is it the same OTP or a different OTP, sir?
Yes, yes, it is one and the same. Both OTP is one and the same. You will get it both in email ID as well as your mobile number. Okay, on filling up, on entering the OTP, you will be navigated to the My Saved Application tab in the registration menu.
What are the details to be filled there, sir?
Yes, you have almost 10 tabs. You have to fill up your business, state particulars, and mainly you have to enter your Aadhaar details. You have to enter your Aadhaar number. Which is a Aadhaar based validation is there. So system will expect you to enter the Aadhaar number. That will be validated in the portal. Your data as per the Aadhaar and what is entered in your PAN based registration form part A will get validated.
Sir, can you explain me what is Aadhaar authentication, sir?
Yes, definitely. Aadhaar authentication, I have already explained what is the process. It is getting validated with the Aadhaar website. Aadhaar is compulsory for all the registrations, and in case of states like Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh and Puducherry, they have made it biometric. Aadhaar validation is also to be validated through biometric data. That will be handled at the GST Suvidha Kendra. You can complete the registration by e-signature or EVC. You will get the OTP to your mobile number and the email ID. In case of limited liability partnership firms and companies, digital signature (DSC) is mandatory in such cases. They have to submit through DSCs, their DSCs, to complete the registration process. If the Aadhaar validation is through, then the registration will be approved within 7 days of your application. Normally, within 7 days, the applicant will receive the intimation of the application is approved.
So nice, sir. Everything is time bound. I am so happy about it, sir. I am now very confident. I will myself apply through online for registration, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Once your registration is approved, you will get a mail indicating the registration number and the password. Using this, you can log into the GST portal using the registration number and the password. Once you log into the portal, you will be able to download the registration certificate.
So kind of you, sir, for your words of patience and the words of support and encouragement.
Sir, it is a pleasure. We are at your service, sir. We are always at your service.
So
We will
thank you,
give a
sir.
maximum.
Thank you.